Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. This idiot turns into my lane. I was watching TV and suddenly the camera shows this on the front door. Impatient driver cuts off the whole street to do a U-turn from the far right lane in front of a cop. I just wanted to get away from him, but then he crashed. Thank you, brakes. This driver doesn't slow down after multiple cars pass. Wear your seatbelts, you never know what can happen. There's no stop sign, sir. Got rear-ended in a hit and run. After this, he tried to argue with me like I was wrong.
What the f is wrong with you?
For some reason, it's always the guys in a Golf. Just when you thought you were in the clear. I guess those yellow lines are just for decoration. Now I feel like I should invest in a red truck. Are they playing with their brakes?
Sent me a letter.
Oh, 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 oh.
Either he is learning manual or he's having a stroke.
This guy.
How do these people get their driver's license? Was I the idiot this morning? Caught one idiot in the wild today. My wife and I caught our first idiot who doesn't know how cones work.
I don't think this person knows how to navigate cone. Oh, they're turning, that's what. No, they're just a fucking idiot. The guy.
He was even like,
Oh my god.
oh, shit, what are they doing running up? Goodness.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.